Tribeca to get the exhaust fixed, finally. This is one of the first cars we had on Scott's lot. It's still not fixed. I kind of shelved this one because it needed an exhaust, it needed control arms, it needed an oil pressure sensor, it needed a solenoid, it needed 2 coil packs, it needed... Oh my god, I'm listing all this stuff out right now and hearing it out loud. This might not have been the best buy. However, it is in really, really good condition visually. And the outside is really nice, and it comes on rims. But I just listed all that stuff and realized it needs a left control arm, a right control arm. It needs an oil pressure sensor. It needs a solenoid. It needed 2 coils. It needs an O2 sensor. The exhaust has to be repaired. Oh, it needs a lot, I guess. Anyways, we're on our way with Aaron right now in his pretty car. God, Aaron's car has the coolest color. Oh, red light. To one of Aaron's friends who owns a garage and does welding. So let's hope that we can get this welded. It's on the worst spot in the world to be welded, to be honest. But I'm hoping that even though it's in a terrible place, that you could potentially patch around it, or maybe they could like cut and then have the center part be... do they sell Ys? Could he match the size and then there's a Y and then he just attaches one? I don't know. So I'm hoping to see. I'm gonna leave it there and we'll see. And then we'll get to, once the exhaust is fixed, I'll get to switching the rest of the parts. It maybe needs a day. I mean, the oil pressure sensor switch is a 10-minute job, 20-minute job. The solenoid should be, again, 10-20-minute job. The control arms are from 2011, so they might be annoying to take off. But all in all, it's only like a day's work to do on this car, so I'm gonna get the exhaust done, then get that done, and that's it. We'll see. We'll get this car back on the road, we'll get it cleaned up, we'll get it ready, we'll get it sold. Well, that's it, guys. So we'll reach back up when we get there. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much. So, we're here, dropping off the Tribeca, gonna get this thing fixed, and we're on our way out now. Aaron waiting in the car. We'll hear back in a couple days.